What is up? So, I'm going to be making a cafe-style hot chocolate. And all we really need is the powder, tablespoon, something to mix it all up with. And I already got my pitcher. Need the mug. Let's see. I prefer this mug for the cafe style hot chocolates. I really like the aesthetic, and I think it's the perfect size mug for these as well. So, what we're gonna do first, like 3.5 tablespoons of the powder. Now, not all cocoa powder is made the same. Believe it or not, I am using Nesquik powder. And what I found with Nesquik powder and a certain Ghirardelli powder that I couldn't find again, it melts and liquefies very easily, okay? And so that's the whole reason I use it. Now, if you use some other, can this thing close? Hello? With some other powders, they don't exactly melt and they turn into more of a cake batter texture. So yeah, so you definitely just find a powder that liquefies super easily. That's why I like Nesquik. The Ghirardelli one, I will admit it tastes better, but I can't really find it. So unless I look online or something, I don't know. They closed the Ghirardelli store that's near me, so that kind of sucks. Got some whole milk going in here. I'm gonna go ahead and start the steam one. The water's already hot. I'm gonna mix it. As I'm mixing it, the steam one's gonna warm up, and I'm going to froth the milk. I like to do that in, quick succession. All right. Steam one's about to start going. Try not to knock anything over here. Very little water. Very little water. See how it liquefies like that? Like really quickly. I think that's good. Spin it around, make sure I incorporate everything. Keep mixing it as much as you possibly can, of course. I think I've got a good layer of foam right there. All right, so yeah, it's one of those drinks. If you make it like this, it helps to try to multitask a little bit, because it's one of those drinks that can get cold kind of fast. And yeah, by frothing the milk and mixing it at the same time, you kind of retain a lot more heat. It's kind of hard to explain if you don't make a lot of espresso drinks. But yeah, the more you can multitask, the better. I'm gonna get this milk really hot. I think I got the texture I want. So now I plunged it below the surface of the milk to kind of stop texturizing and more kind of just heat up the milk at this point. Make sure I get it really hot. It is really hot. All right. Clean the one off real quick. Purge. Give it a nice mix again. It's liquefied perfectly fine. I don't see any clumps or anything like that. That's why I like this Nesquik chocolate. I'm gonna pour like any other latte. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, y'all. And that is how you make a wonderful cafe-style hot chocolate. Anyway, thanks for watching as always, y'all. And yeah, more soon.